There are 3 operation modes: manual, temp, and timer. To navigate these 3 modes, we use the Set button. The remote will default to manual mode. In order for the operation modes to work, the fireplace must be in standby mode. This means that the pilot light is on, but the flame is not. To put your fireplace in standby mode, use your Set button to navigate to the manual mode and hold down the small flame button until the flame goes out. For instructions on how to set up each operation mode, refer to our videos on each individual mode. To do that, you can wait until the end of the video or see the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. For questions and free estimates for fireplaces, barbecues, hot tubs, and so much more, visit us at www.maplemtnfireplace.com or give us a call at 801-489-5052.